What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you another vacuum in my collection. This time it is my green Hoover Elite Supreme model U5071-930 from 1996. I almost had no intention of buying this vacuum because most of the part motor-wise, it's pretty much the same as my preferred that I have featured in a previous video. But the biggest thing that did interest me in getting this vacuum was the fact that the previous owner installed a newer 20-blade fan, probably because the original fan broke, the original 7-blade fan, which the new 20 blade is said to be more shatter resistant compared to the 7 blade. It also is to make the vacuum sound a lot more quieter and produce more airflow. And overall, I could say this is a very nice vacuum. I really love the green color to this. My relatives used to have a vacuum just like this one, only I think that one was a much brighter green color, and that one might have been, to my knowledge, branded Decade Supreme instead of Elite Supreme, which I find kind of funny now looking back on it. Decade name on an Elite machine, which is almost like I've seen another Elite that was branded Convertible, which I almost burst out laughing at that point. But anyway, I'm getting off topic here. So anyway, one nice thing on these higher end Elites is that they come with this nice larger handle grip up top that's colored in tan to kind of look more aesthetically pleasing, and is a lot thicker than if it didn't have this piece here. Nice big prominent Hoover symbol right here. It's cleaning effective. It is energy efficient. And it comes with the Breathe Easy direct air system. It does have some scratches and scuffs just from normal use. But overall, the vacuum is in very great condition. Come on down here. Surprisingly, this vacuum still has the stickers for, let's say, furniture friendly width, and up here the full-size bag, posture, perfect handle. Speaking of bag, this is running it does take type A bags. I am running a genuine HEPA bag that you can get for these machines, or any other of the Hoover machines that take type A bags. They filter out so much better than even the genuine paper bags, which is really great for allergy sufferers. It does have a 7.2 amp motor, brushed edge cleaning. It has 4 carpet height adjustments. I usually like to keep it on the middle setting for the pile of my carpet. 17 cleaning effectiveness per amp. The headlight does work. In fact, it was replaced before it was sold. Right here is the cleaning tool port, right here. Again, turn it to the side to show you the hose. This is the middle end side mount hose. I say middle end because the top of the line models, like the preferred in my previous video, come with a stretch hose. So you see the hose comes off like so. It is held on by those little plastic clips there. This hose is nice and long, but it is pretty flimsy at most times because it's very hard to keep the thing straight. Who does claim this hose to be crush proof, but I really don't believe that, because it's almost practically easy to crush this thing. and leave permanent crinkle marks in the hose. Anyway, you catch it back on there, hook it right back in there, and work your way around the top, and finally lead back into here. Moving on to the back here, it does not have the dusting brush nor the crevice tool, which I'm probably going to have to find a replacement for. But it does have its original upholstery tool and its original extension wand. It does have a nice long power cord. I'm not too sure how long this is, but you can cover a fairly decent amount in your house by not having to switch plugs most of the time. Which, by the way, let's go ahead and flip it down and show you the underside. It does have its original brush roll. At least I think it's original. The brushes are nice and stiff. Right here, I'll again show you the model number. See if my camera will focus. Model U5071-930. Series B, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 7.2 amps. Type A bag. There's the belt number and the serial number. By the Hoover Company for household use only. Made in the USA. That's one reason to love these old Hoovers. So anyway, now let's go ahead and release the cord here. Alright. Your power switch is down here on the side. Alright, now let's go ahead and give this thing a run. Now, before I run this, it is pretty loud, so headphone users, turn down your volume. Here we go. Very smooth. It's not as loud as my preferred is, with being that it has the original 7-blade fan. One thing I really love about this vacuum, I'm not even pushing it. And look, it's slowly but surely propelling itself. That's just how good these vacuums are. Very nice. Before we end the video, I will show you that the tool's in action. Pull off the hose again. It gets connected right down in here. Now, I would like to note, these are not known to have the best suction when running it in tool mode. And turn it on. I will say, the suction with the 20 blade fan is actually much better than the single blade, the 7 blade, excuse me. There's your extension wand. You have your voltage down here. Unhook your hose, attach it right in here, connect it back up, and there you have it. Well, everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this video of the Hoover Elite Supreme. Don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.